If you suspect that your Cash App account has been compromised due to suspicious activity, it is important to act quickly to regain access. Follow these steps to secure your account. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure that you are connected to the internet for the process. Step 2. Navigate to the profile icon. Tap on the profile icon located in the upper right corner of the home screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access security settings. Scroll down to find the Privacy and Security section. Here, you will find options related to your account security, including the ability to change your password and enable two-factor authentication. Step 4. Change your password. Select the option to change your password. Follow the prompts to create a new, strong password that you have not used before. Make sure to remember this password for future access. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Taking these steps will help you regain access to your Cash App account and secure it against future suspicious activity. Always monitor your account regularly for any unusual transactions.